In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use task queues in Hubspot, a powerful tool to streamline your workflows and keep your team organized. Let's dive right in so you can start optimizing your productivity with this feature. First, you'll need to head over to the Hubspot homepage. Simply open your browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once the homepage is loaded, glance at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that to access your Hubspot account. If you're not signed in already, enter your login details to access the platform. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot home dashboard. This is your command center for managing client relationships and tracking tasks. Now direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on CRM. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management tool, is where you'll manage all interactions with customers, and it's crucial for organizing tasks effectively. With the CRM dashboard open, you can see various options available on your interface. Look for the Tasks tab. This is where you'll control your tasks queue, so click on that to proceed. Once you're in the task section, you'll want to focus on organizing your tasks efficiently. Look toward the upper right section of your screen and you'll see the option to manage queues. Click on this option to start creating and managing your task queues. Upon clicking, you'll be redirected to a page where you can create new task queues to better organize your workload. Look for the Create Task Queue button and click it to proceed with creating a new queue. Now it's time to personalize your task queue. You'll need to add a descriptive name for your queue that clearly reflects its purpose, such as weekly follow-ups or priority leads. Enter the name in the provided field. This step is very important, as the name you choose will help keep your tasks organized and easy to navigate for both you and your team. After naming your task queue, the final step is to save your newly created queue. Scan for the Save button and give it a click. Your task queue is now set up and ready to go. By following these steps, you've efficiently used the Task Queues feature in HubSpot to better manage your tasks and streamline your workflow. Task queues help ensure you and your team stay on task, prioritize important tasks, and ultimately enhance productivity. That's it for today's tutorial on using task queues in HubSpot. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and good luck with organizing your tasks in HubSpot.